Here I have VIVO Y69 and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset by using the VIVO recovery mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up, keep holding both keys. And release them as soon as VIVO recovery mode pops up. If nothing happens, let's do it again, power key and volume up simultaneously. Release as soon as VIVO logo pops up. As you can see, the VIVO recovery mode pops up right here. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key, or you can simply tap on the screen. So let me choose wipe data, select wipe data again, and confirm the operation by tapping wipe data one more time. The device is erasing all personal stuff and customized settings. Wipe data failed, but don't be worried, let's tap OK. Here let's tap back and choose reboot system. The device is restarting and rebooting. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.